Hey there. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your PC using the ReadyBoost function in Windows. ReadyBoost is a feature in Windows that allows you to use a USB drive as additional memory to improve your PC's performance. This is useful if your computer has limited RAM or if you want to boost its speed without upgrading its hardware. To use the ReadyBoost function, follow these steps. Step 1. Insert a USB drive into your computer's USB port. Make sure it has at least 1 GB of free space. Step 2. Right-click on the USB drive in Windows Explorer and select Properties. Step 3. Go to the ReadyBoost tab. Step 4. Select the option to use this device, and then use the slider to choose how much space you want to allocate for ReadyBoost. It is recommended that you allocate at least 1 GB of space. Step 5. Click on Apply, and then OK, to save the changes. And that's it. Your USB drive will now be used as additional memory by Windows, which can help to speed up your PC's performance. You can use this USB in any other PC normal as USB. Also, you can use remaining space for copying data. Keep in mind that using the ReadyBoost function may not be as effective as upgrading your RAM or using a dedicated SSD as a cache. However, it is a useful tool to improve your PC's speed without spending money on hardware upgrades. So that's how you can use the ReadyBoost function to speed up your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इसको ज़रूर शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों के साथ, और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का बटन भी ऑन कर दें। इससे आपको फ़ायदा ये होगा कि इस तरह की जब भी मैं कोई वीडियो लगाऊंगा नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा, आपको मेरा चैनल ढूंढना नहीं पड़ेगा। और मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं कि आइंदा आप किस किस्म की वीडियो और किस सॉफ्टवेयर की वीडियो पसंद करते हैं, ताकि आइंदा मैं उस पर काम करूं।